Have you ever tried to break a bad habit, only to find yourself right back where you started a few weeks later? You're not alone. Whether it's endlessly scrolling on your phone, biting your nails, or hitting that snooze button one too many times, we all have habits we wish we could kick. But what if I told you that breaking free isn't about willpower alone? It's about understanding the science behind your habits and using a smarter strategy. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a concrete 3-step plan that actually works. First, let's get one thing straight. Your brain isn't trying to sabotage you. It's actually trying to be efficient. Habits are mental shortcuts. They run on a simple, powerful loop, a cue, a routine, and a reward. The cue is the trigger that tells your brain to go into automatic mode. For example, the notification sound on your phone is a cue. The routine is the action itself, like picking up your phone and opening social media. The reward is the feeling you get afterward, like a little hit of dopamine from seeing a new post. To break a habit, you don't fight the loop, you redesign it. Step 1 is to identify the cue. For the next few days, become a detective. When you catch yourself doing the bad habit, ask, where am I? What time is it? How am I feeling? Who else is around? What did I just do? Write it down. You'll start to see a pattern. Maybe you only scroll through social media when you're feeling bored or stressed. That feeling is your cue. Awareness is the first and most crucial step. You can't change what you don't acknowledge. Step 2 is to isolate the reward. What are you really craving from this habit? It's usually not the action itself. When you bite your nails, are you craving perfectly trimmed nails? Probably not. You're likely craving a way to deal with anxiety or boredom. When you reach for a sugary snack in the afternoon, are you truly hungry? Or are you craving a quick energy boost or a break from work? Experiment with different rewards. If you think you're scrolling because you're bored, try standing up and stretching for a minute, or chatting with a coworker. See if that satisfies the craving. The goal is to figure out the underlying need your bad habit is fulfilling. Now for the final and most important step, create a new routine. Once you know your cue and your reward, you can swap out the bad habit for a better one. The key is to keep the cue and the reward the same. Let's say your cue is feeling stressed at work, and the reward you crave is a feeling of relief. Your old routine was to step outside for a cigarette. Your new routine could be to take a 5-minute walk around the block, or do some deep breathing exercises at your desk. The cue, stress, is still there. The reward, relief, is also still there. But you've replaced the negative routine with a positive one. This doesn't happen overnight. Your brain has paved a superhighway for the old habit. Your new positive routine is just a tiny dirt path right now. You have to consciously choose the new path over and over again until it becomes the new default. It helps to make your bad habits harder to do and your good habits easier. If you want to stop scrolling in bed, leave your phone charging in another room overnight. If you want to start exercising in the morning, lay out your gym clothes the night before. Reduce the friction for good habits and increase it for bad ones. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. You will have days where you slip up, and that's completely okay. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to get back on track and keep moving forward. Each time you choose the new routine, you're casting a vote for the person you want to become. So, what's one small habit you want to change starting today? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your goals and support you on your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building a better life. See you in the next one.